Good morning. I am Ashok Kumar and I am from Kurnool. And I had done my graduation BSc Computers. After my graduation, I spent half year searching for a job. And one of my friends suggested to me about Vision Technology Private Limited, and I enrolled that course. After that, I learned some IT tools, supporting tools. Like during this time, I had so many things, and I had learned so many things, and faculty also way of explaining also good, and Dipti ma'am, especially Dipti ma'am support to lot of help to me, and she is always encouraging people, encouraging students, and encourage students. Keep supporting for future students also, ma'am. And I enrolled that course. I enrolled that course program, and where I learned ITIL, Windows Server, Office 365, and troubleshooting skills, essential IT skills. With this training and guidance, I have now successfully secured and good position and sure position at SureWorks Infotech Private Limited. That's all about. Thanks for Vision Technology Private Limited.